You're doing something every day that could be silently harming your body, and most people don't even realize it. Here's the truth. Small habits you think are harmless may be destroying your health from the inside. Habit number 1, skipping sleep. It may feel normal, but your body is quietly losing its ability to heal. Every hour of lost sleep reduces your brain's detox process, leaving stress chemicals behind. Habit 2, sitting too long. Your cells need movement to stay alive, and when they don't move, damage accumulates. Habit 3, ignoring your gut. A poor diet disrupts serotonin production, affecting mood, focus, and even immunity. And here's the twist. Your gut talks to your brain constantly. If you ignore it, it fights back. Habit 4 is sneaky, chronic stress. It silently ages your body and weakens your organs over time. Stress hormones flood your body, damaging tissues, slowing healing, and clouding your mind. And finally, habit 5, ignoring hydration. Most people are chronically dehydrated, which slows every healing process. But here's the shocking truth. These habits are reversible if you act fast. Your body has an incredible ability to repair itself, but only if you give it what it needs. Sleep restores cells. Movement oxygenates your blood. A balanced diet fuels your brain. Hydration powers your organs. Stress management resets your system. And the best part? Changes you make today will pay off immediately. You don't have to wait years. Imagine your body repairing itself like a superhero team. Every cell, every organ working together, silently fighting for you. And the suspense? Most people sabotage this process without even knowing it. But now, you have the secret map to unlock your body's full healing power. And here's the emotional truth. Your body isn't fragile. It's resilient, powerful, and waiting for you to help it thrive. Start small. Sleep an extra hour, drink water, take a walk, eat one healthy meal, breathe deeply, manage stress. Every choice you make today builds a stronger, healthier you. The moment you start caring for your body, it fights for you harder than ever. It never stops repairing, protecting, and regenerating. Silently, every second. So take control. Respect your body. Fuel it, move it, rest it, and love it. And if this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I choose to heal. Your body is waiting. Your healing journey starts now.